Okay, students, hello. Today, learn English letter sounds, the letter P. This will be lesson number 2. Okay, so we have B. Okay, and then we have P. Okay. All right, so let's start with B first, and let's remember how we make the sound for B. Okay. For the letter B, okay, remember, B was lesson number 1. Okay, so go back and watch lesson 1 or practice in lesson number 1. Okay. All right, the letter B, let's talk about and let's review how to make the sound B. Then we will review how to make the sound P and the difference between the two. Okay. Okay, the letter B. When I make the B sound, my lips, like P, my lips are together. Okay, they're together. But when I start the sound, I have to pull my lips in. Okay, so together and in. B. Okay, so together, lips together, lips in, and then B, and then out, okay? Pushing the air out. B. So in, and then B, out. Okay, that's the lips. Okay, B, your teeth, okay? Your teeth are open just a little bit. B. Okay, so you can see the space. B. A little bit open. Okay, so your teeth are a little bit open. Lips together, out. Teeth a little bit open. Okay. Your tongue for B. B. Your tongue, if this is your teeth, your tongue is down and flat. It's down. It starts here and B. When I make the B sound, the tongue is going to go back, down, back a little bit. B. And you'll see a little space. B. B. P. P is forward. Okay, so B. Lips together, in, out. Teeth open, little bit open. Tongue down, okay, on the teeth here, down. And on the sound B, tongue will come back, stay down, back a little bit, okay? B. Okay, now, P. P is similar. The sound is similar, but it is different, okay? P. Lips together, but you do not go in and out. You just go together. Start here, together. P. Okay. Now, going back, remember the one thing I forgot with B. The letter B, when you make the B sound, you feel the vibration. B. I can feel it. B. Okay. And the air for B, in or out air, okay? For B, B. It's out. Okay, out. B. B. I'm pushing the air out a little bit. B. 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 I can feel the air a little bit. Okay? So B, together, in, out. Teeth, a little bit. Tongue, down. B. back. Okay. B, you feel it. B, you can feel it vibrate. B, when I feel the air. B, a little bit. B, okay. Now, P, lips together. P, and then out. Lips go together and then out. P, okay. P, pop, P, together, out, P, okay. So your lips together and then out. P, okay. Now, your teeth are open a little bit. P, and you kind of smile a P. Teeth are open a little bit. P, just a little bit. P, okay. So similar. B, together, in, out. P, together, out. Okay. P, B, P. Okay. Now, P, lips together. Teeth open a little bit. Your tongue, P. Your tongue is down and forward. Touches your teeth. P. And you press your tongue down. P. Push the tongue forward, okay? So, lips together. P out. Teeth, P open. Tongue, P down and forward. Okay. Now, can you feel P? Can you feel it? I don't know. Let's see. P. A little bit. P. B. That's a lot. P. A little bit. Okay, so you do not feel P as much. B. Your throat. Zzz. B. You can feel it. P. It's very fast. P. Fast. You don't feel it for very long. Okay. What about the air? What are you doing with the air? P. Similar to B. Out. Pop. P. Pop. B. P. B. A little bit. P. More air. P. More air. B. P. Yes, I can feel the air. So B, I can feel the vibration here. P. Not as much, a little bit. But the air, B, a little bit. P, more air. Okay, so you have to think about your lips, your teeth, your tongue. Can you feel the letter? Can you feel it? And air out a little bit, B. Or more air, P. More air, okay? All right. Okay, students, we are going to stop here, okay, for now. Okay, students, thank you very much. Have a great day. Enjoy, and we will see you on the next lesson, okay? All right, students.